Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a plus or minus symbol on your Microsoft Excel mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a plus or minus symbol in your Microsoft Excel mobile, I just going to show in this short video. So first of all, I just open a document here, just going to zoom in and just clicking the cell 17. Okay, now if you are clicking on this insert option, you can't find any insert symbol option present in the Excel mobile. So instead of that, you can just use your keyboard. Here I just using Google Keyboard. You can just download it from the Play Store if you want, and just click on this number section on the bottom. Now you just need to search and find the plus symbol. After finding the plus symbol on the Google keyboard, you just long press it, which you will have the pop-up here. This is an hidden trick on the Google keyboard. So just long press it, just drag and drop the plus or minus symbol for your formula or whatever that you want. This is how you just insert the plus or minus symbol on your Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.